Hello investors, my name is Samson Itoje, the Lagos property consultant. Today I'm here once again at our estate in Ilara, Ekpe, Lagos, to show you update that is going on. This is a Pearwater estate located along Ilara Road in Ekpe, Lagos, Nigeria, and it's just about 1 minute from the Augustine University. They're actually on the same road, just about 1 minute from the Augustine University, and this road is a third road. I will turn the camera shortly to show you the progress of work in this estate. In the meantime, if you are new to this channel, please take a moment to subscribe. Click the subscribe button below, then click the bell that appears, and then select all, so that every time I drop a new video about estates where you can invest profitably in Lagos, Nigeria, you will not miss any of those videos. Now let me turn the camera now and show you the work that is going on here at Pearwater estate along the Ilara Road, Ekpe, Lagos. Come with me. So here you can see the molding of block for the fencing of the estate is in progress. If you look down, you see some of the blocks have been arranged on the right hand side. The digging of the fence has started, and then you can see the entire estate. It's not a very big estate that is cleared straight down. Okay, so this is not a very big estate, but it's on the third road. Let me turn the camera so you can see the third road. This is the Ilara Road, which is the same road where you have the Augustine University in Ekpe, Lagos, Nigeria. So this estate is just about 1 minute from the university. Let me show you that it's on the third road. You know, seeing is believing. Okay, here, so you can see the third road. If you go this, we came from this way. Just 1 minute from here, about 1 minute, you get to Augustine University, and the third road continues like that. Okay, and there are so many estates on this road, so it's a very good location to invest. So as I told you, this is Pearwater estate. Now you can see all the block here for the fencing of the estate. What is the title of this estate? Is freehold. That means it's not under government acquisition, and the plot of land here is 600 square meters. You can see it's 100% dry land. So what is the price of a plot of land here? 600 square meter plot of land in this estate is 1.8 million naira, and it's directly on the third road. If you are watching this video right now, do not waste time, do not procrastinate. Take action now, because this estate is not a very big estate. It's directly on the third road, just about 1 minute from the Augustine University in Ekpe here. Okay, so take action, call me right away, collect the application form, and then buy into this estate before it gets sold out. My number is on the screen. Call me right now or send me a WhatsApp message so that you can buy one or more plots of land in this estate. You can see it's not a very big estate, it's just the cleared portion, so it's not a very big estate. So do not miss the opportunity to buy into this prime estate on the third road. Call me right away. My number is on the screen, or send me a WhatsApp message and I'll send you the application form so that you can key into this estate. The beautiful thing is that with this estate you can make a small initial deposit and spread the payment over a period of time, expecting your call. If you are new to this channel, please take a moment to subscribe. Click the subscribe button below, click the bell that appears, and then select all, so that every time I drop a new video that gives you opportunity to invest profitably in Lagos real estate, you will be among the first to see. One last thing, please do me a favor. If you enjoyed this video, click the thumbs up button, and then click the share button and share this video to as many people as possible, so that you can help more and more people invest in Lagos real estate and profit from Lagos real estate, instead of wasting their money on liabilities, on things that depreciate in value over time. But with property, when you buy a property, it appreciates in value year after year, and you could even become a multi-millionaire or even a billionaire from investing in multiple properties in Lagos, Nigeria. So do me that favor, click the share button and share to as many people as possible. Thank you very much in advance, and I'm expecting your call or WhatsApp message. Thank you.